Is this my fragrance unicorn? Hey Fragrance family, I'm Dave at the Fragrance Bros, of course your best source for everything fragrance related. Today I'm going to talk about a fragrance that I've been wanting to talk about for a while. I got this a while back and I'm really so excited to talk about it. It is of course on Sir Gallahad by Isabey Perfumes. This fragrance took me totally off guard, but I made a news video and one of the new fragrances that was coming out was Sir Gallahad. And it was apparently supposed to be a masculine gardenia fragrance. And that was it. I knew that I had to get this. I've been on the search for a masculine gardenia fragrance for years, and I've never found one. And I really, really love gardenia. Years ago, when I was a child, my grandmother on my dad's side of the family lives in the Boston area, and she lived with her sister for a number of years. And we used to go up there every year or so and go visit the family. They had gardenias that would blossom around the house, and they would bring some in, so the house smelled just like this nice, rich, full gardenia scent that was amazing. Every time I smell gardenia, it's one of the smells that it just delights my heart. It reminds me of my childhood, it reminds me of my family and my grandmother. So it's just a really great scent overall. Right now, as of this recording actually, gardenias are in bloom, so this is the perfect time to make this video. The note of gardenia is not completely unknown to the fragrance world. There are several fragrances out there that make gardenia fragrances or gardenia-based fragrances or have gardenia notes in them. Typically though, gardenia fragrances are more feminine, but I just really love gardenia. And since there are floral scents for men, I really want to find the perfect male gardenia scent out there. The problem with gardenia scents in general is that they typically don't smell very much like the original source material. Gardenia itself is very hard to extract the oils from. It's very costly. You can do it, but it's very, very costly. So there's not very many people out there who do it. So finding the actual kind of raw material for gardenia is not easy. And if you find it, it's very expensive. So typically what you'll find with gardenia scents is that just the accord is kind of mimicked. And a lot of times it's not done very well. A lot of times it's just kind of a shell of what gardenia smells like. Even if it's used as the note, it's usually just kind of like this sweet, high, white floral type of smell that's in the scent. So there hasn't been like a really great knockout gardenia scent that I've smelled. So that brings me to Sir Gallahad by Isabey. And they were kind enough to send this to me for review. So I want to talk about this one today. Now, if you want to see the bottle and box up close, I have an unboxing, which I'll have linked up here. So you can go and check out the bottle and box up close. All right, it's not gonna be a full-fledged review, but I am gonna kind of talk over some of the talking points that I normally do for this anyway. It is classified as a woody, came out this year as of this recording, 2018. Some of the notes are jasmine, gardenia, amber, tobacco, saffron, mandarin, frankincense, and vetiver. This scent is very powerful on me anyway. It lasts a long time. In the excellent range for me, which is fantastic for a floral scent. Very, very potent as well. Really in the excellent range as far as projection as well. I would say this is difficult to classify. I think this does work well in spring and maybe in the fall, but it's kind of in those kind of in between kind of cooler months, but not cold or hot. I do think this works great day or night. And it is a very good formal scent, I would say, but that might be it. As for the notes, there's definitely jasmine in this, and there's definitely tobacco in this, definitely frankincense. And the frankincense smells great in this. And there is gardenia, but it's not the gardenia that I was hoping for exactly. So it's not the rich, kind of heady, full gardenia that I was expecting from a gardenia scent that is marketed as a gardenia scent. But it is there, it's noticeable, and so I do like it, I do appreciate the gardenia for being there. This is a very interesting scent because it has a lot of contrast. It has a floral aspect, and then it has kind of the incensey, frankincense, and tobacco quality, which has a lot of different kind of connotations there. Definitely in the floral feminine range, the white flowers with the jasmine and gardenia, but also in the masculine range. So I think this really works well for the type of man that likes floral scents. It's a really great scent, and because of that incensey type of quality, I really think that it has almost like this very nice spiritual aspect of it, which is something I really respect here. It has almost this air of kind of this mysterious sensuality, which is very, very intriguing. There are very few fragrances that kind of have that, but when they do, they're special. Now, my biggest gripe about this is the fact that it's marketed as a gardenia scent, but it doesn't exactly pull off gardenia in the way that I was expecting. So, is it that unicorn that I'm always looking for? Is it the perfect masculine gardenia scent? No, but it did surprise me with the way that it does smell, which is a very, very intriguing, sensual, kind of spiritual, floral, masculine type of smell. It's a very good scent, but not the perfect scent that I'm looking for. That's a little unfair to criticize it for such an ideal that may be impossible to attain. So, take it for what it will. It's an amazing fragrance on its own. Definitely check out Sir Gallahad by Isabey Perfumes. An incredible white floral scent with a lot of depth and complexity. Very, very sensual and mysterious, rich and deep and fragrant, and it is good. So definitely check it out. I really love this scent, and I'll have a link down below to the best place where you can find Sir Gallahad. So have you tried Sir Gallahad? Let me know down below. Also, what are your unicorns? Do you have the perfect unicorn scent that you're looking for? I want to know what they are. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the way out. I love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.